A very good afternoon to one and all. This is Funny in front of you, and I have been interviewing people over the last 13 years. I might have met close to 1 lakh people and selected close to 10,000 people, and I am specialized in the BPO hiring. So when it comes to freshers, let it be BPO or let it be IT sector, there are some set of 15 questions which are very commonly asked in the interviews. And I want you all to understand what does a recruiter expect when he asks you these 15 questions right there in front of you on the screen. So all these 15 questions, along with what is the expected answer by the recruiter, I have prepared it and uploaded them on YouTube in my channel. My channel is Funny Kiran Patnaikuni. My intention is very simple. I want you all to be prepared, and post-COVID lockdown, when you are bombarded with a lot of opportunities, you have to be quickly taking up some opportunity and support your family financially. It is a kind of initiation that I wanted to take to help the community by sharing the knowledge that I have. Before I conclude, I wanted to tell you one thing. It's not mandatory that you have to go through all the 15 questions. Whatever question you find it difficult, I would request you to go through it. And if you like it, please do subscribe to my channel or like it and share it with your network so that they will also benefit from this. Because this is coming to you free of cost. You need not pay anything for learning from me. The next important thing is, I would like to conclude this video by telling you about the number one reason I identified in freshers specifically why they get rejected in campus interviews. There is a lack of a connect between your passion and the purpose for which you attend for an interview. Try to establish this connection. I'm sure you will crack interviews. I'm giving you a very simple example to help you understand this better. Whenever somebody asks you about why do you want to attend for an interview in their company, tell them I'm interested in this opportunity, hence I'm applying for it. Don't give them reasons like my friend is applying, so I'm applying. That means the purpose of you attending for an interview is not with an intention to do a hard work, do a job, but just because your friend is attending, you are attending. So get rid of such kind of an answer. Coming to girls, we see mostly you give a classic answer like, if I don't get a job right now after my education, my parents will get me married to someone. That means you are jumping into an uncertain situation by applying for an interview with my company because you are not sure and you don't want to get married to someone. So to avoid a situation, you are jumping into another situation which is completely unknown to you. Please don't do that. Don't join any organization just to avoid a marriage. I'm sure you're matured enough and you can tell your parents that maybe I want to work for some time. So be specific, give specific answers. Recruiters like honesty and straightforwardness, and they want people who are matured enough to take their decision, because tomorrow you are going to handle a very responsible position in any of the organizations, whichever you get selected for. I hope this small effort of mine will help you all to come up in your career with bright colors. I always tell freshers one thing: look high, set your sights high. The big world out there is definitely yours if you try. I would expect to see a lot of people coming up with flying colors in their life, and it's responsibility of all our HR community to ensure that we develop the employability skills in the current generation. With this, I would like to end my video. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for your career.